2017 Chevy Silverado lifted Z71 5.3 liter V8. He was watching our YouTube channel and said, I want work done by you guys. So he brought it over. There's the stock converters there and there. And then we true dualed it for him, as you guys can see right there. And we had to put a dual in, dual out catalytic converter instead of the single in, single out converter. So there it is. Then we true dualed it all the way back. There's the part number on the cat, 94008. If you guys want it, there'll be a link in the description for it. Then it's got mandrel bent tailpipes on each side, right there and right there. Out the back in two 5-inch roll tips, right there and right there, as you guys can see. Came out really nice, really pretty, really cleanly done, like all of our work is. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. There's the whole exhaust we took off right there. There's the Y pipe section, the cat is in there, there's the flex pipe, there's the muffler, the original resonator, the flap, and the tailpipe. So that's what it looks like before, ugly into beautiful. Straight pipe. Sound decibels. Again. Not bad, not bad. Go ahead and back it up. Guys think? Let us know. True dual straight pipe. 5-inch tips. Let you guys hear on the inside.